Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois,
There it is.
McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wind Point to near Yorkville to near Wheatland to Allworth, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. These storms have a history of producing wind damage across southeast Wisconsin. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, observations and public reports. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Palatine, Buffalo Grove, Crystal Lake, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Algonquin, Highland Park, Lake, Indiana The Hills, Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Vernon Hills, Woodstock, Zion, Huntley and Grays Lake. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 41. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 25. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 25. This includes Chain O Lakes State Park, College of Lake County, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Lake County Fielders Baseball, Lake County Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, Ravinia Music Festival, and Six Flags Great America. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.